How to get insane giant fruits in Grow a Garden. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to grow giant plants and fruits in Grow a Garden. Stick till the end. Alright, let's get into it. First, you're gonna need all types of sprinklers in the game. You can get them from the gear shop. Technically, you only need one of each sprinkler, but I highly recommend grabbing extras if you want to do this method more than once. You can check their stock on the official Grow a Garden Discord, or if you're lazy like me, just use a macro to farm them faster. Then get your seeds ready. Pick the seeds you want to grow into giants and make sure they're already in your inventory. You can buy more in the seed shop. Now make sure your garden space is clean. You'll need an empty spot to set everything up. Once that's done, start placing one of each sprinkler in the area. You gotta do this before planting anything. Once your sprinklers are down, go ahead and plant your seeds. Just make sure each one is within the sprinkler range. The sprinklers are super important for making your plants and fruits grow huge. Now here's the cool part after planting. Just leave the game and wait around 2 hours. Yep, that's it. You don't even need to be in the game for the growth to happen. The sprinkler timers won't go down while you're away either, so if you've got more seeds, you can just drop them into range once you're back. And if you're planning to sell those fruits, so yeah, follow these steps and you'll be seeing giant fruits and plants in your garden in no time. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.